Hi there, this is Dara here from Nurture, and in this tutorial I'm going to talk you through how to set up your classroom and your curriculum settings on Nurture, specifically within Canvas. Now, it is slightly different on Canvas compared to our app from Microsoft Teams, because on Canvas Nurture is directly installed and you don't actually need to go through the process of setting it up or installing it. We can't walk you through a setup process, but we still give you all the same functionalities of it by giving you our Nurture settings, okay? So if you have Nurture installed on Canvas and you want to be able to adjust your settings or your curriculum boundary, where you can do that is when you open up one of your Canvas courses, like I'm in this course here, you'll see that on the left side we have Nurture settings. Now, this might be called something different depending on your setup. However, just know that anything down here that's related to Nurture is going to open up the Nurture settings, okay? So just click Nurture settings, and once it loads, I will have to just click on the gear icon that it presents to me. So I'll just click on this gear icon here, and I'll just click Classroom Settings. And once I'm in here, everything that's in here is the same as if I was using Nurture on Microsoft Teams. So I've covered that in other tutorials, but essentially you can choose what your subject is, what your student reading age is, your curriculum, so you can upload and delete and edit whatever documents relate to your curriculum here. And then finally, we have the default AI reasoning efforts that you can select for this particular class. So all that is with two AI reasoning efforts. There's a faster response and a thinking response, and whatever you choose here will just be the default. Now, it does mean doesn't mean that you're always locked to using one of those options. It just means that that's the default option that appears throughout the app whenever you're using it on Canvas. So you can change those here however you see fit, and as soon as you make a change, they will auto save in the background, and then the next time you go to use Nurture in Canvas, all of those settings will apply across all of your Canvas assignments. So that is it in terms of how you can adjust your settings and your curriculum in Canvas. It's slightly different to Teams. If you have any questions on this tutorial, please feel free to reach out to us, and I will see you in the next video.